Money never sleeps, pal.
It's a quiet day for macro news. Investors are really focusing on US inflation data due later today for clues about the Fed rate decision, where the next FOMC meeting is on January the 30th. The SEC finally approved Bitcoin ETFs in the US market, widening the scope for investors to access the alternative asset, for example, via 401k pension plans. The Winklevoss brothers first proposed a Bitcoin ETF in 2013 when the price was about $500. The regulator's reluctance to sanction this product over the last decade has saved US investors from participating in an instrument that has risen 90-fold in dollar terms over the period. In the UK today, it's a busier day for trading updates and profit announcements. Trustpilot expects to report profits above the top end of the range of market expectations. In addition, it continues to deliver strong cash generation and announce plans for a £20 million share buyback. Empac Group, formerly Molins, the packaging and automation provider, updated that its second half revenue and profit was substantially above the first half, aided by the normalisation of margins. It had a closing order book of £75 million versus £67 million last year. Its second half order intake was the highest ever. Finally, GlobalData expects to deliver underlying revenue growth of 7% and EBITDA growth of 28%, with stronger than expected margins of 41% versus 36% last year. It is reorganising to operate across three customer-focused divisions of healthcare, consumer and technology. Before Christmas, it announced plans to sell a minority stake in its healthcare division, which accounted for 36% of its revenue, but at a valuation of £1.1 billion, raising net cash proceeds of about £434 million for the group. GlobalData is among several UK-listed B2B media companies that are currently realising significant value from their divisional portfolio. In this case, by bringing in private equity to take a minority stake in a division which exposes the UK market's considerable undervaluation of these B2B assets. The move delivers Mike Danson, the founder and CEO, the opportunity to now fund non-dilutive acquisitions, where he has a strong track record.
Brought to you by Progressive Equity.